नमस्ते गुरु। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुभागं सस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितैः यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः, स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः, स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो हरिष्ठनेमिः, स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम अग्नेनय सुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेन भो इष्टां ते नम भुक्तिं विदेम। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम ब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम्, आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषभ्योऽतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम्, दोग्ध्रीं धेनुर्वोढान्नड्वान् आसु सप्तिः पुरन्धिर्जोषा जिष्णोरतेष्ठाः, सभेयो युव अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम्, निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न भोषधयः, पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः, स्तोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि, सर्वो ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्, मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु। अनिराकरणम् अस्तु निराकरणं मे अस्तु, तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु, ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरि ओम। नमस्ते।
Very nicely, Guru Bhyo Namaha. So this is the day which we thought of to have talk, knowledge, grace, blessings, etc. from the great Surya Bhagavan, who is very kind to appear on the horizon every morning and disappear every evening, and making a high radiance, brilliance, and many benefits to all people upon the earth and all lokas. And basically, that Surya Bhagavan, as we know from Valmiki Maharshi, that he is a Rasmivan. So Rasmivan means having the Rasmi. Rasmi or the rays. Therefore, he is always at rise, at setting, at heights. Therefore, he is the guardian of our health. He is the guardian of the eyes. He is our guardian of the heart and lungs and so on. So he is taking care of our body, mind, and the spirit. So we have been going through in the Saura Suktam of the Rig Veda, and these mantras are found commonly in other Vedas also, and that shows the importance of the Bhagavan Surya as the individual deity. See, in the Vedic pantheon of gods, we have several categories or varieties classified, but importantly, we could see individual gods, dual gods, and group gods, or gods in group. So in this kind of category, Surya Bhagavan falls to be an individual god. That is, he is having independent powers, and he is a self-luminous body, while all others like moon or stars or anybody, they are dependent on the luminosity or the grace of God. Today being Amavasya, as you think, today the Surya Bhagavan would emit the Ama ray into which our Chandra will stay whole night, not on the sky appears and gets charged, and from next day onwards, he will be released out from Surya Bhagavan and he will pick up the digits. Therefore, this is the time that so sun and moon in the night stay together. So the night is Nisha Devata. She will be waiting for sun to come into her folds. The moment sun comes into her folds, then she will start her work spreading the darkness all over the universe. Therefore, as long as the sun is in the sky, Nisha Devata is highly happy that she is having some kind of vacation for the day. Similarly, in case of Samudra, sun, moon is the sun of Samudra. When moon is rising up and up during Shukla Paksha, and on Purnima day, the Samudra is excellently happy, extremely happy. Of course, see, nature responses and nature elements are all friendly or supportive to each other, and that's what we see it. So in the Surasuktam, we are just there at the 14th and 15th mantra because here you get a lot of knowledge. We have already gone through the importance of the Tricha Maha Mantras from Surasuktam, where you have made prayer to relieve you from all sorts of ailments, more so Hrudrogam, Mama Surya. And also you are telling Udagadayam Sahasa Saha Visvena. So when the moment sun rises in the east, he has got Sahasa means all energies. All people are quite strong and enthusiastic and all that in the morning. The mood of people in the morning is also good. And again, the mood mood of the people also in the evening, almost good. But only in the afternoon, people are all worried about it so much because there is a pleasure of so many circumstances in which you are placed per day. Therefore, Madhyana Kala is a little different. And afternoon and in the evening and morning, people are very much pleasant in mind and activity. And in fact, this is also a question, a problem raised by the rishis in a sabha chaired by Brahmadeva. And one of the rishis comes up and says, why are people in the morning and evening pleasant in their mind and composed? Why people are not that happy in the noon time and afternoon, and why? So there is a proposal of answer by so many people, I mean rishis, and ultimately the answer is also received. So like that, this is all, there are so many interesting natural changes that a man or a being goes through in the life per day. And therefore, it is necessary for us not simply be contented with reading the mantras and reciting mechanically and looking here and there and mind somewhere, but walk because your eyes are looking at the book or demanding or deriving a memory out. So your things are different. Automatically you will be reciting. But you will not have some time to think what I am reciting because you are otherwise diverting. But it is said that a concentrated utterance of the mantra is of great use. I think Boston has put forwarded a beautiful item where you see there are Gayatri mantras to almost all the gods. Mantras in Gayatri meter. Dhiyo yona prachodayat, like that. So we have got Navagraha Gayatri, we have got Durga Gayatri, so many Gayatris are there. What does it mean? that all Gayatri mantras are the essence of the personality, essence of the grace, essence of the function, and the requirement for the blessings. And how that should how that blessing should go, another important. It all should go to the head. And that too, dhiyaha, the vision or the intelligence that everybody is endowed with. If intelligence is properly oriented and trained and trimmed, no fear. Only when there is absence of intelligence, people are afraid. Therefore, for the intelligence, again, you have to have your body and mind sound. So that we have seen. And moreover, we have also noted in the 14th mantra, which we did, that he is a Devanam Anikam and Mitrasya Varunasya Agne Chakshu Dyava Prithvi Antariksham Suryaha Atma. And not only Dyava Prithvi, also for the Jagataha Tastushasya, for all mobile and immobile objects existent in nature, Surya Bhagavan is the soul. You know what is the soul? Soul means without soul, we are not at all really fortunate. It's actually the body which will go through somersaults. ಪಲ್ಟಿ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಶರೀರ. ಒಂದು ಶರೀರ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶರೀರ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶರೀರ. ಸೊ ಶರೀರ ಟು ಶರೀರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. If a person is dying or is dead means he has prepared himself to obtain new body. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಮರಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮರಣ ಭಯಂ, ಮೃತ್ಯು ಭಯಂ, ಈ ಮೃತ್ಯು ಭಯ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೃತ್ಯು ಈಸ್ ಎ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಟಾಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಟಾಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅನುಭವ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸೋಫಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಒಂಥರ ತೃಪ್ತಿ. ಆ ಸೋಫಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಅದು ಅನುಭವ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆನಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಹ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ experiences we are going through. But secondly also, we want Ananda to be around us. Therefore, we keep on acquiring all those things, vastus, which we want to have in our house, which we like and which we want to continue with. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಜಗತಃ ತಸ್ತುಷಶ್ಚ ಆತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಆತ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಶರೀರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ತೈತ್ರೇಯ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಆಕಾಶ ಶರೀರಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಂತ. ಆಕಾಶ ಶರೀರಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಈ ಶರೀರದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಏನಂದರೆ ಆಕಾಶ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನು ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ವೇಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನ್ವಲಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಕವರೇಜ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. So no object is extraneous to Paramatma, and Eshaha Devakrutam. Everything is generated from the Paramatma. Therefore, in the 14th, and moreover in the 15th sloka which we read already, where you see there is some kind of humor and some kind of alankara or srungara in respect of even Surya Bhagavan. See, in the Alankara Shastra, Srungara has been defined not as a passion or a lust. Srungara is not lust. Srungara is not passion. Srungara is Srungaraha Suchihi Ujjwalaha anta helidare. See, that's Srungara is the purity, it is brilliance, and it is always happy thing that will make people happier. ಸೊ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೊರೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿಂಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಗಝೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟಿಂಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಟಿಂಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗಝೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಟಿಂಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಝೈನ್. In fact, whoever came from outside the India, because it's Indian publication, they used to buy a good number of them, even older issues, and take to America or elsewhere. I remember one of my relatives, for sake of children, if he happens to come to India, he used to collect some tinkle magazines, past or present, and go on. So tinkling is what is called as Srungara. ಅದು ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ದೇವಿ ಮುಷಸಂ ರೋಚಮಾನಾಂ ಮರ್ಯೋ ನ ಯೋಷಾಮಭ್ಯೇತಿ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಯತ್ರ ನರೋ ದೇವಯಂತೋ ಯುಗಾನಿ ವಿತನ್ವತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭದ್ರಾಯ ಭದ್ರಂ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಭದ್ರಂ ಭದ್ರಾಯ, that we have got to mark it. So what is secured, you want to be insured. What is insured must be protected. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಭದ್ರಾಯ ಭದ್ರಂ. And what is this Paramatma doing? Yugani vitanvate. Yuga is time. You know that time is something which you cannot arrest at all. ಈ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋ ಮಾತು, ಈ ನಿಮಿಷ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುವ ವಾಟರ್ ರಿವರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಡಾಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗತ್ತೆ, ಶರೀರ ಹೊರಟೋಗತ್ತೆ, ಮಾತು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಂತೋಗತ್ತೆ. 25 ವರ್ಷ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆ 25 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಂಥ ಬೈದಿದ್ದಾನೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಶತ್ರುತ್ವ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರು. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಾತುಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಾಕ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಶೂಲ, ವಾಕ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್, ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಗರ್. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಯುಗ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ author for this. In Surya Upanishad, Atharva Sirsha Upanishad, you have that Kalachakra Pranetaram Sri Surya Narayanam Bhaje antare. So Kalachakra Pranetaram ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಇದು ಚಕ್ರ is always liable for revolving. And in a chakra, in a circle, all points are important. You can't mark A, B, C, D points in the circle. Otherwise, that's why Chakrara Panktiriva Gachari Bhagya Panktihi ಅಂತ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮೇಘ ಸಂದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಪಂಕ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ತರಹ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲದ ತರಹ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತೂನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟುಡೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್, because you will be attracted to buy or do something with that money and you will come with emptied packets. Hange illi kuda. And moreover, the kamakatvam or attraction or srungara is always like that. You lose your time, you lose your personal things, but if a beautiful thing is there, you will be very much fond of that and also to desire to possess it. ಅದರಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಉಷಾಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಲೇಡಿ. ಎಂಥ ಅವಳು ಅಂದರೆ ರೋಚಮಾನಾಂ దేవీం ఉషసం. అమ్మవారు చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. అంత అందంగా ఉన్నటువంటి స్త్రీ వెనకల పిల్లగాళ్ళందరూ పోతారు. ఎందుకంటే నోబడి కెన్ గెట్ ఇట్, బట్ స్టిల్ ఇట్స్ ఎ మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ Pailapachisu that people go after it. Like that, even Surya Bhagavan also goes after the Rochamana Usha Devata, like a man going after a beautiful woman. Yes, Sivalinga or somebody, please keep reading 15 to 18 mantras.
ॐ सूर्यो देवीमुषसं प्रोचमानां मर्यो न योषामभ्येति पश्चात् यत्र नरो देवयन्तो युगानि वितन्वते प्रतिभद्राय भद्रम् भद्रा अश्वा हरितः सूर्यस्य चित्रा एतग्वा अनुमाद्या सह नमस्यन्तो दिव आपृष्टमस्तु परिद्यावा पृथिवी यान्ति सद्यः तत्सूर्यस्य देवत्वं तन्महित्वं मध्याकर्तोर्विततं संजबार यथेधयुक्त हरितः सदस्तादाध्रात्रेर्वासय वासस्तनुते सिमस्मै तन्मित्रस्य वरुणस्याभिचक्षे सूर्य आरोपं कृणुते द्योरुपस्ते अनन्तमन्यदृसदस्य वाजकृष्ण मन्यद्धरितं संवरन्ति.
Good. So you ಮೂರು ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು whatever changes that are taking place in the universe, and more important in the next sloka, that is in the 17th sloka. Is it 16? No. In the that after that Shringaric statement to Surya Bhagavan, 16th one, there are the horses. What no, there is we have to also make namaskara for the horses which come at the mid of the sky and carry Surya Bhagavan up to the end or to the conclusion. And they are, how are they? They are all like that. So that Ashwagala Varnane Kuda, well done in this sukta. And we have got that Raghava, who has written an article on the horses only of Surya Bhagavan. Because, we have got among horses categories. The race course horses are different. Jatka horses are different. The horses to ride are different. The horses to go take them to the battleground are different. I mean, in respect of the training or taming and discipline, etc., that you give to the horses. Therefore, especially when you talk about the horses of Surya Bhagavan, they are chitra, you understand? They are really very powerful. And namasyantaha diva prushthamastuhu. So namasyantaha means namaskara purakavagi. And they all occupy the divaha, the akasham, the atmosphere. And having been occupying the sky, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸದ್ಯ ಪರಿದ್ಯಾವ ಪೃಥಿವಿಯಂತಿ ಪರಿಯಂತಿ. They all go round the Dyava and Prithvi. Dyava is heaven, Prithvi is the earth. So the entire atmosphere or Mantariksha Loka or all lokas have been covered up by the horses. So the horses are strong and powerful and independent and working and supporting. As the horses are so active, so are the Surya Bhagavan also. As a result, you observe there is a great deal of support and power and influence and benefit for the people upon the land. Now, you got the next one is Tatsuryasya Devatvam Tanmahitvam Madhyakartorvitatam Sanjabhara Yadeda Yukta Haritas Sadastat Aratri Vasastanute Simasmai. So there is the intervention of the Ratri Devata or the Nisha Devata. So Nisha Devata is also a mother to Surya Bhagavan, and she will accept him into her folds, give him full rest, and again allow him to appear on the horizon the next morning. Therefore, in Aruna Prashna, Surya Bhagavan is described to be the child of Ratri. Ratre Vatsaha. When once he is out from the womb of the mother, Ratri Devata, he turns out to be Svetaditya. And when he becomes Aruna, in what is the color? Tamro Arunaha. So ಈ ಥರ ಈ ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ರೂಪಂ ಕುರುತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ರೂಪಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. That's why there is also one Telugu song. So, meaning, what would be the color change in Surya Bhagavan? ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, as the time progresses, what are the kinds of colors that, types of colors that Surya Bhagavan too? Madhyana Surya and Prataha Surya, Sayam Surya. So a Surya Bhagavana complexion also keeps, or the color also keep changing according as the need of situation. Of course, you cannot discover that when once the Aruna Bimba turns into a Surya Bimba. And ultimately, the Surya Bimba turns into Martanda. That is around 12 o'clock. On 12 o'clock, he becomes a Martanda, very hot. Martanda Yanamo Namaha Taptachami Karabhaya Vanhaye Viswarupine Namastamo Vinignaya Sakshine Lokasakshine. So Puruštutaya Punyaya Purushaya Sudhamne. ಆ ಥರ ಆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನ ಮೈಥಾಲಜಿ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ತುಂಬ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 32 ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ 32 ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವರ್ ಟು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಪಿಲೋಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸೊ ದಿ ರಿಂಡ್ ಏನಂದರೆ 16 ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 16 ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗಿಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರಶ್ಮಿಮಂತಂ ಸಮುದ್ಯಂತಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವತ್ವಂ ತನ್ಮಹಿತ್ವಂ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ he will be divinized and he will be a divine being. All divine beings exert mahitvam, mahima, influence, power. They share their power for the benefit of all people. That's why that mahitvam. Mahitvam is the power. Now, Suryasya devatvam tanmahitvam and mitatam karto madhya sanjabhara. So sanjabhara and yes, rupam krunate. Next verse now already we have seen, but still I repeat, revision. Tat तन्मित्रस्य वरुणस्य अभिचक्षे सूर्यः रूपं कृणुते जौरूपस्थे and अन्यतु अनंतम अन्यतु रुषत् अस्य पाजः कृष्णं हरितः अन्यतु संभरन्ति. So the Surya Bhagavan's character and his color, the change in the anugraha of Surya Bhagavan by Surya Bhagavan all that is that. And moreover, we have got the feeling that where is Surya Bhagavan? Showing all his rupas. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೌರೂಪಸ್ಥೆ ರೂಪಂ ಕೃಣತೆ. Upastha means the lap, or in that Akashadalli, because Surya Bhagavan is Akasha Devata, heavenly God. Vayu is the atmospheric God, Antariksha Devata. Agni is a terrestrial God, Bhu Devata. So, ಈ ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು, ವೇದ ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು, Agni, Vayu, Surya. Actually, we have done 2 days workshop in Ragigudda Anjaneya Swami Temple, Rangamandira, whole day on Trimurtis of Veda. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಗ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ವಾಯುದೇವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದೇ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ have been included in our one of the Vedaganga volumes. I don't remember the volume number, but there you see beautiful articles on Vayudeva, on Agni and all that. So, ಈ ಅವರವರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ will not run at all, will be ultimately very bad. And we had one very sincere scholar who was the professor of Hindi and Sanskrit in MES College, Bangalore, Radha by name, Dr. Radha. She was so sincere, so attached to our Kendra, that she has supplied large number of articles, contributed, which are all there. That whenever I asked anything, she was so happy to contribute a research article on her. It is not superficial, used to do. So in that spree, you understand the Surya Bhagavan also came into her purview, like that Saura, like Bhusuktam, Neela Suktam. Neela Suktam is about the sky. Neela Devi is Akasha Devata. And Bhudevi, as we all know. And in between, we have got Sri Devi, that is the Maha Goddess Lakshmi. Therefore, generally, whenever we think of performing puja, more so the Abhishekam to Paramatma, so then you say, you repeat Sri Suktam, Bhu Suktam, and Nila Suktam. Even for Venkatramana Swami, when they make Arati, they show Bhudevi, Sri Devi, and then Paramatma. So hige, this is how the wealth of all. So illi Surya Bhagavan is all that. And is apajaha risadasya anantam. And when once Surya reaches the evening, and the Ratri Devata, she will spread her Ratritvam in the entire universe. Because చీకటి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో పగలు కూడా అంతే ఇంపార్టెంట్. పగలే ఉంటే కష్టం, చీకటే ఉంటే కష్టం. Therefore, there is that kind of time duration in respect of distribution of darkness and brightness in the atmosphere. As you are all knowing, we have 4 stages: March 21st, June 21st, and then September 23rd, and December 23rd. These are the 4 times in a year prescribed when there will be night more, day less. That is in December 23. In September, night and day the same. In June, day more and night less. And in March, night and day are the same. So, ಈ ತರಹ ಈ ರಾತ್ರಿ ದೇವತಾ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಹರಿತಃ ಅನ್ಯತು ಸಂಭರಂತಿ. And Paramatma, Surya Bhagavan, will give us the light whole day, but he retires, and when he retires, the Ratri Devata, that's why we make a prayer for Ratri Devata. In the text which our Ramakrishna people have edited, you see there is one Sukta which is going by the name Ratri Sukta. Ratri Suktadalli, you find the character of Ratri Devata, because Ratri Devata is one, and opposite of that is called Raka Devata. So Raka Devata is there as another, she's another this. So in page 255 of your Sarvaveda Mantra Kannada version, you have got a beautiful Ratri Suktam sampling being given to us, which occurs in the 10th mandala as 126th 26th Sukta or so, and wherein you have got about more than 29 mantras about Ratri Devata. So ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇದ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ everything is called that kind of divinity. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಂತಮನ್ಯದೃಸದಸ್ಯ ಪಾಜ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಹರಿತಃ ಸಂಭರಂತಿ. ಹೇಳು ಶ್ರೀವಾಸ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದಿ 19th ಮಂತ್ರ. ಓಂ ಅದ್ಯಾದೇವಾ ಉದಿತ ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ.
ಗುರುಡಿ, ನಾನು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನೇ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಎಸ್ ಗುರುಡಿ. ಓಂ ಅದ್ಯಾವಾ ದೇವಾ
ಅದ್ಯಾದೇವಾ ಉದಿತ ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ.
ಓಂ ಅದ್ಯಾ ಗುರುಡಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದ್ಯಾದೇವಾ.
ಓಂ ಅದ್ಯಾದೇವಾ ಅದ್ಯಾದೇವಾ
ದೇವಾ ಉದಿತ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಉದಿತ ದೇವಾ ಉದಿತ
ದೇವಾ ಉದಿತ ದೇವಾ ಉದಿತ
ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ ನಿರಹಂಸಃ
ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ ನಿರಹಂಸಃ ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ ನಿರಹಂಸಃ
ನಿರಂಹಸಃ ಸಾರಿ ನಿರಂಹಸಃ
ನಿರಂಹಸಃ ನಿರಂಹಸಃ
ವಿಪ್ರುತಾ ನಿರವದ್ಯಾತು
ವಿಪ್ರುತಾ ನಿರವದ್ಯಾತು ವಿಪ್ರುತಾ ನಿರವದ್ಯಾತು
ತನ್ನೋ ಮಿತ್ರೋ
ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಿತ್ರೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಿತ್ರೋ
ವರುಣೋ ಮಾಮಹಂತಾಂ
ವರುಣೋ
ಅದಿತಿಃ ಸಿಂಧುಃ
ಅದಿತಿಃ ಸಿಂಧುಃ ಅದಿತಿಃ ಸಿಂಧುಃ
ಪೃಥಿವೀ ಉತ ದ್ಯೌಃ
ಪೃಥ್ವೀ ಉದತ್ಯೌಃ ಪೃಥ್ವೀ ಉದಿತ್ಯೌಃ
ಉತ ದ್ಯೌಃ
ಪೃಥ್ವೀ ಉತದ್ಯೌಃ ಪೃಥ್ವೀ ಉತದ್ಯೌಃ
ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಿತ್ರಂ
ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಿತ್ರಂ ಇಂದ್ರಂ ಮಿತ್ರಂ
ವರುಣಮಗ್ನಿಮಾಹುರಥೋ
ವರುಣಮಗ್ನಿಮಾಹುರಥೋ ವರುಣಮಗ್ನಿಮಾಹುರಥೋ
ದಿವ್ಯಃ ಸ ಸುಪರ್ಣೋ
ದಿವ್ಯಃ ಸುಪರ್ಣೋ ದಿವ್ಯಃ ಸ ಸುಪರ್ಣೋ
ಗರುತ್ಮಾನ್ನೋ
ಗರುತ್ಮಾನ್ನೋ ಗರುತ್ಮಾನ್ನೋ
ಏಕಂ ಸತ್ವಿಪ್ರಾ
ಏಕಂ ಸದ್ವಿಪ್ರಾ ಏಕಂ ಸದ್ವಿಪ್ರಾ
ಬಹುಧಾ ವದಂತಿ
ಬಹುಧಾ ವಹಂತಿ ಬಹುಧಾ ವಹಂತಿ
ಬಹುಧಾ ವದಂತಿ
ಬಹುಧಾ ವದಂತಿ ಬಹುಧಾ ವದಂತಿ
Agnim yamam ma agnim yamam.
Agnim yamam. Agnim yamam.
Matarishvanamahuhu.
Matarishvanamahuhu. Matarishvanamahuhu.
Matarishvanamahuhu.
Matarishvanamahuhu. Matarishvan.
Matarishvanamahuhu. Double. Two more times.
Matarishvanamahuhu. Matarishvanamahuhu.
Matarishvanamahuhu.
Matarishvanamahuhu. Matarishvanamahuhu.
So I made you to utter Veda mantra
Yes, sir.
because it's a great fortune for everybody in the world. Yani Vedaksharaणि तानि उच्चारणीयानि तेषां महत् पुण्यं भवति. Those people who are able to recite the mantra or given Vedaksharas from their mouth, they are all lucky people in the world. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆರ್ನಾಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಋಷಿ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ತಾನಿ, ಋಷಿಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ರಿವೀಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಂಡೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ 19th mantra and 20th mantra, you observe beautiful idea regarding the God, regarding the Surya Bhagavan. And in the 19th, Adya Deva Udita Suryasya. See, whenever Surya comes up in the horizon, all gods become active because people start doing puja. ಸಂಧ್ಯಾವಂದನದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾವಂದನ ತನಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಗ್ನಿಹೋತ್ರ, people are engaged in doing one or the other religious activity. Is it not? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ, ಏಷ ದೇವಾಸುರ ಏಷ ದೇವಾಸುರ ಗುಣಾನ್ ಪಾತಿ ಗಭಸ್ತಿಭಿಃ ಏಷ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾ ಚ ವಿಷ್ಣುಶ್ಚ ಶಿವಃ ಸ್ಕಂದಃ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಃ ರುದ್ರೋ ಬಹುಸರ ಬಭ್ರುಃ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಅವರು ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಉದಿತ ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ ದೇವಾಃ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ದೇ? ನಿರಂಹಸಃ and niravadyat piprutaha. So they also become purer and they also get relieved of the avadya or doshas, and gods also become stronger. ನಾವು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಪೂಜೆಯಿಂದ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, why Sandhyavandanam is being given top andre, that is the only measure which is introduced by our rishis to make all people purer, so that they will be conducting the activity further with all purity acquired by them in the day. That's why in Punya Vachana Mantrams, this is said that Uttarottara Kriyaha ಸಂಪಜ್ಜಂತಾಂ ಓಂ ಪುಣ್ಯಾಹಂ ಭವಂತೋ ಬ್ರುವಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಗುಡ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ವೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋರಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಪುಣ್ಯಾಹಂ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ, ಧರ್ಮ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ, they are all uttarottara kriyaha, they sampajyantam. ಪುಣ್ಯವಚನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಪುಣ್ಯವಾಚನಂ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಮಂ ಆರ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಆರ್ ವ್ರತಾಸ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪಿಪ್ರುತಾಹ niravajyat. So all the other gods are being filled with the purity, sanctity, and sin-free status. Amha andre, so amha also means sin. Niramhasa means sin-free, pure. I think so. So niramsa and avadhyat, niravajyat. Avadya andre dosha. So doshaгаlinda ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಲದಿಂದ ಶುದ್ಧರಾಗಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತತ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ನಹ ಮಿತ್ರ ನಹ ವರುಣ ನಹ ಮಾಮಹಂತಾಂ ಅದಿತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎನ್ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಮಿತ್ರ, ವರುಣ, ಅದಿತಿ, ಸಿಂಧು, ಪೃಥಿವಿ, ಇಂದ್ರ, ಮಿತ್ರ, ವರುಣ. ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಅವರೇ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಗ್ನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸುಪರ್ಣ, ಗರುತ್ಮಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಮ, ಅಗ್ನಿ, ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿವೆ, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ those gods or those individuals who have got the mahima. That's why therefore it's tat suryasya devatvam ತನ್ಮಹಿತ್ವಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮೈನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮಹಿಮಾವಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇವಾಹ, ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮಹಿಮಾನ್ವಿತಾಹ. ಸೊ ದೇವ ಅಂದರೆ ದೀಪ್ಯಮಾನ ಸ್ವಭಾವಿನಃ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ who have got that kind of radiance in them, brightness in them. So that's why we always make a prayer. Brahmano brahmavarchasi ajayatam. Brahman kshatriyah आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषव्यो etc. आजायताम्. And then धेनुः दोग्ध्री आजायताम्, योषा पुरंध्री आजायताम्. These are all the converting status which people must allow to become bettered, not to get succumbed to the mundane activity. So ishtu jana devategalu, by name they are different, but by power or influence are the same. Therefore Sindhu also is included. See, Mamahantam Aditi Sindhu. So Aditi Devata Anugraha is important. Because if at all the Rishi under curse was to come back, she could come back because of the puja. So there will be number 18th, 18, 19, 20. ಯಾರು ಓದಿವ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಓದಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ವರುಣಸ್ಯಾಭಿಚಕ್ಷೇ ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ರೂಪಂ ಕೃಣುತೆ ಯೋರುಪಸ್ಥೆ ಅನಂತ ಮನ್ಯದೃಷದಸ್ಯ ಪಾಜ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮನ್ಯದ್ಧರಿತಂ ಸಂಭರಂತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಾದೇವಾವುದಿತ ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ ನಿರಂ ಅಸಹತ್ ಪಿತೃಥಾ ನಿರವಧ್ಯಾತ್ ತನ್ನಾಮಿತ್ರ ವರುಣ ಮಾಮ ಅಂತಾಮಧಿತಿ सिन्धुं पृथिवी उत द्योः इन्द्रं मित्रं वरुणमग्निमाहुरथो दिव्यः सुपर्णो
Garutman.
गरुत्मान् एकं सद्विप्रां बहुधा वदन्त्यग्निं यमं मातरिश्वानमाहुः.
Beautiful. So, ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು quite often people quote, taking as a part of Vedic authority to say that there is only one God, Ekai Devaha. In ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ವಿಶ್ವತಶ್ಚಕ್ಷುರುತ ವಿಶ್ವತೋ ಮುಖೋ ವಿಶ್ವತೋ ಹಸ್ತವುತ ವಿಶ್ವತಸ್ಪಾತ್ ಸಂಬಾಹುಭ್ಯಾಂ ನಮತಿ ಸಂಪತತ್ರೈಃ ದ್ಯಾವಾ ಪೃಥಿವೀ ಜನಯನ್ ದೇವ ಏಕಃ. That ekatva thesis is there, and that ekatva idea, argument, is being supported by so many people. But variety is entertainment. That's why ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ, ವೆರೈಟಿಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಏಕತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಮಹಿಮಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಹಿಮಾ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ನೆಸ್. If it is a matter of variety, it is entertainment. I think so. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಯುದೇವರು. You know that there are 49 winds, 7 into 7, Sapta Marutah and Sapta Marutah anta. So there are 49 winds, and you can imagine the force. ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಳಿ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಾಗೋ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಷ್ ಯು ಅವೇ, and whatever light articles are there outside kept, they will fall down and they will be even taken to a different place. So that movement comes up. The Vayu Balam and Naga Balam, very, very, very powerful. Bhima is called as Sahasra Naga Bala anta heltare. And Nama Anjaneya is Vayuputra. Therefore, he will have all the strength that of the Vayudeva. Maximum. Matariswaha and Yamam, Yamadevata. Yama is known for justice, Nyayamurti. He will not at all swerve from his duty, and he will not have any karuna. That's why Purandaras ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಮನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಯಮನಿಗೆ ಕಿಂಚಿತ್ತೂ ದಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಮನನ್ನು ಬೈತಾನೆ. ದಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದೇ ಅವನ ಯಮನಿಗೆ. But in respect of punishing the jivas, in respect of pulling out the life of the jivas when maturity comes, in respect of number of aspects, Yama is the head of the department of destruction, devastation, killing, and drawing out the pranam. And he has got large number of dutas. And when you go to Yamaduta, Ajamila Vyakhyana, in Bhagavatam, then you come to know that how was the Yamadutas. They are also kind of pertinent people, the appointed employees by Yama. When normally Yama's work should never have a failure, like Visha. But when he was not able to, when Yamabhatas were not able to take away the life of Ajamila, listening to the force of the Mahima of the Vishnu Bhattas, then they go to Yama and asks, this is the first and last time should be that we fail to bring the life of a person whose life should be brought down here for judgment and punishment. Or you go and find out from Vishnu how Vishnu Smarana is able to oversee this kind of punishment. Well, that's a big story. So anyway, Yama and Yami Samvada is very much famous in the Rigveda. Yami is the sister, Yama is that. So in their dialogue, we get to know so many important secret details, and therefore, and in our Rigveda also, we have got dialogue hymns, Sambada Suktaha, and ಈ ಸಂವಾದ ಸೂಕ್ತಗಳು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ we will be really getting a lot of knowledge, because you can get always knowledge from dialogue. In fact, in our Vedadhyayana Kendra, long years back, we have arranged a talk by our Rajagopalachar, who is a Sanskrit professor, principal of Vijaya College, Bangalore. ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಋಗ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂವಾದ ಸೂಕ್ತಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ನಾವು. ಆ ಸಂವಾದನದಿಂದ ಇವನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಸಂವಾದನ, ಡೈಲಾಗ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಸಂವಾದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾವಕ್ರ ಗೀತಾ? ಅಷ್ಟಾವಕ್ರ ಗೀತಾ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಜನಕ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾವಕ್ರ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. Like that, two people get into and they talk about the important information, knowledge, and then communication of the same message, like to all the people who are oriented or for the kind of reception of such type of knowledge. Therefore, it's very interesting, is it not? So that's why. Anyway, today we have covered up to 20 slokas. Again, I will just make a revision when we meet next and go. Actually, this particular sukta has got 60 and odd suktas, and meaning, the interpretation will be variant because of the number of type of commentators. Therefore, and we have commentaries for this, but anyway, as and how required for our understanding, for a formal understanding of the Veda mantras, we are trying to note down. And therein we see that Surya Bhagavan is important, and in the sky he is making rupas. Rupa is always a beautiful thing, and that will be our good knowledge. So we here conclude. Om Swasti.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahavijamkaravavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastama Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Satam. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Vasudevarpanamastu. Shri Veda Purushashirvadostu. Om Shri Matru Charanaravindarpanamastu. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Namaste.
So happy.